Did you know hydrogen peroxide has more uses than you think? This common household item, often overlooked, packs a punch when it comes to versatility. Today we're diving deep into the world of hydrogen peroxide, unearthing 10 surprising uses you need to know. First up, hydrogen peroxide reigns supreme as a mouthwash. Yes, you heard that right. Swishing around a solution of equal parts water and 3% hydrogen peroxide can help kill bacteria and whiten your teeth. Next, it serves as a magnificent manicure mate. Soaking your nails in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water can help to brighten and clean them. Third, a bit of hydrogen peroxide proves powerful in the fight against acne. Applied with a cotton swab, it can help dry out pimples and prevent future breakouts. Fourth on our list, hydrogen peroxide acts as a fantastic fruit and vegetable wash. A quick rinse with this solution can remove harmful pesticides and bacteria. Fifth, it can become your best friend in the bathroom. Hydrogen peroxide can clean your toilet bowl and even your bath toys, making them squeaky clean and germ-free. Sixth, it's a savior for stained clothes. A little hydrogen peroxide can help lift those stubborn stains from your favorite shirt or dress. Next, it serves as an excellent earwax remover. A few drops in your ear can soften and help remove excess wax. 8. Hydrogen peroxide can help heal wounds. Applied to minor cuts and scrapes, it can prevent infection and promote healing. 9th, it can serve as a plant protector. A little hydrogen peroxide can help protect your plants from fungus and other diseases. Finally, 10th on our list, hydrogen peroxide can help in the battle against foot fungus. A soak in a hydrogen peroxide solution can help kill the fungus. So, there you have it, folks. The humble hydrogen peroxide, a mouthwash, manicure mate, acne annihilator, fruit and veggie washer, bathroom buddy, stain slayer, earwax eliminator, wound washer, plant protector, and foot fungus fighter. Who knew this simple solution could do so much? Remember, hydrogen peroxide may be potent, but it's always important to use it safely and in the right concentrations. Until next time, keep exploring the unexpected uses of everyday items.